Hello guys, it's me Zain, and today I'm just gonna make a quick video because most probably right now I'm on a vacation and I didn't have too much time to film long videos, edit them. I don't want to leave you without videos, you know, at least some videos, so this is why I'm filming this right now. So this is one of my house leek or sempervivum slash frost hardy, succulent, whatever, however you want to call them, container, and I have a few of them popping up here and there in my garden because I just purely love these plants, especially the sempervivums and the echeverias. These are my two favorite succulent plants. There is a really interesting thing going on right now with this one. Okay, actually I lied, because in this pot there are not only sempervivums but Jovibarbas or Jovibarbas as well, which is basically the same as the sempervivum. There are some differences between them. These are sempervivums here, these are sempervivums here. This, which is here, starting to have this flower stalk, also this huge flower stalk one, and these more red tinged ones here, these are Jovibarbas or Jovibarbas, however you want to pronounce them. There is a difference how they actually propagate because they create pups, but there is a different way for them. One of these Jovibarbas started to bloom for me, and once they bloom the plant dies because actually this is a terminal spike which grows up and it blooms and then the whole plant dies. This is why they create these pups, and for example these pups here, you can clearly see how they are produced. These tinier rosettes here, they are all pups. This one is producing a spike which is like super beautiful. I cannot wait all of these buds to actually open up. This is going to be just majestic. It wanted to produce some pups as well, but here's what happened. The pups, well, they created flowers also, and there is a ladybug there just eating up all the nasty stuff for me. Maybe this happens once in a blue moon, I don't know. I never ever experienced this. You can see that the pups should look like these tiny balls because this is a Jovibarba, and these are called rollers because they pop out from the mother plant and they can roll to another place. So these should look like spheres, tiny little balls, but they are not. They are elongated and they are producing flowers on their own. It is really interesting. You can see there is a tiny one which is supposed to like be a propagation ball roller something, but it's elongating even if it's super tiny. So there is this main flower part here, and there are some other flowers happening here because these pups wanted to bloom as well. I'm not sure why is this happening, but it is strange and this should not happen. Here is the thing. These are sempervivum pups. They are like created on this little stem here. Well, Jovibarbas, they are different because these rollers, these pups are produced on really thin stems, so they can just pop off from the mother plant really easily. You can take a look at one of these pups which created like 3 buds here. You can see that the stem, I'm not even sure if it's connected to the mother plant or not, but there is nothing which like continues to the mother plant stem. So maybe I just can take this one off. I am not sure. I will try to do that. No, it's still connected. There is a really thin thread-like piece of a stem which holds them. I just wanted to show you this. The pups are creating flowers also. Yeah, this is my video for today and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, click on the like button. If you have any ideas about this, if you experienced this or whatever, leave a comment down in my know-it-all section below this video. Also, you can subscribe to this channel, also my other channel. You can watch my other videos if you click here somewhere, and you can follow me on Instagram, and see you next time. Bye guys.